come with me to get my ACL surgery today. So I went to the medical concierge to get my HMO. Sayang din. Waiting lang. And then, yun, at a cafe kasi wala pang room available. And nagmamouth ako dyan, pero wala kayong maintindihan kasi nahihiya ako mag-vlog. So I didn't have time to vlog my food na. Because I needed to not eat at a certain time. So yeah. Then I got my room na. Yay! Yeah. I'm in the hospital na. In the room. Yeah, in the room. It's pretty big actually. I'm just watching TV. Yeah. So as you can see, medyo kinakabahan na ako dito and kinabit na nila so kung ano-ano. So this is what my knee looks like post-op. So after surgery, the day after, diretso na ako sa PT clinic. And as you can see here, they're making me tanggal the line. Which is so sakit. I don't know if you can hear it here. Pero ang sakit niya.
Huwag mo bibitaw na. Okay, done na.
So yeah, as you can see, sobrang sakit at pagod na din ako. And I didn't film much na of that day and my other PT sessions. So I just did the exercises and rested. And yeah, so here, I think day 10, trying to walk properly with the brace. And hopefully I get to record more and see the progress of it then. So yeah, wish me luck guys.
Okay.